Back at you. Bad girl.
Is it bad that
Wow.
I never made love? No, I never did. But I shouldn't have had
I want you to.
Uy, ang aga-aga ang ingay mo!
I know you're never gonna wake up. I gotta give up. But it's you. I know I should never call back. I let you come back. But it's you. Every time you're touching me, every day you love me. I can't live.
Hi, Pres.
Ba't yung suot mo?
Bakit? Pogi ko ba?
Di tayo mag-outing, gagawa tayo ng research. Mas mag... Hi, Eileen! Di ko pala nasabi, gagawa rin sila dito. Upo ka na dyan. Ano yung dala mo, Emil?
Ito ba? Pagkain.
Ayun, sakto. Bel, labas mo na yung juice. Tadyan! Oh my gosh! Tatlong flavor? Very good ka dyan, Mi. Ano? Magmemerenda na agad kayo? Wala pang nasisimulan? Mamaya na yan. Tatama rin lang kayo eh. Excuse me, madam. Ang juice na to ay nagpapaganda ng mood at nagbibigay ng energy. Corrected by Englaxante has glutathione, collagen, vitamin C, L-carnitine, green tea, vitamin B, goji berry, ginseng, and zinc. Ang galing mo dun, be. Next naman, recite the periodic table of elements. Next question, please. Alabog sa kalabi. Ay. Sige na, inumin nyo na yan. Ano pa magagawa ko? Tinimpla nyo na eh. Ito sa'yo, Rose, oh. Strawberry. Pati sa'yo, Emil. Para matchy-matchy kayo. Ay! Tigilan mo ko, Ruby. Akin na yung juice. Eh, may girl. Gustong-gusto mo. Tawa-tawa mo dyan. Gusto mo pectus?
Tapos na.
Ha? Ang bilis mo naman. Tingin nga. Ba't gano'n? Ang ayos naman ang gawa mo.
Dapat ba hindi?
Hindi ka naman kasi katalinuhan sa classroom. Pero, pag gumagawa ka, okay naman. Tapos, ang bilis mo pa.
Siyempre, andito ka, Pres. Este, nakakagana gumawa dahil ng juice.
Wala natin na in love na si Rose. Di ba type niya yung mga matatalino? Oo, ate. Crush ka niyan, Emil. Uy, hindi. Tumigil nga kayo, mga buisit.
Crush mo pala ako, Pres, ha?
Tumigil nga kayo. Ay, grabe na. Ang tamis nitong juice. Glaxante is available at TikTok Shop, Shopee Mall, Laz Mall, Free Shop by 7-Eleven, and Healthy Organic PH. Box awat na dyan. Wala pa tayo sa kalahati.
Saying like bing bop boom 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 bop bam. The type of shit I'm on you wouldn't understand. The type of skits I'm on you wouldn't understand.
Have you heard what's happened? Barbie's changed. Barbie's new and different. She's the very same size, but now she comes with a groovy outdoor look. And Barbie's lashes are really for real. And even her face has changed.
That's why he my man. Young and he fine and he tall and he handsome. He's so fine, I might hold him for ransom. Put it in drive, I'm not shy, I might let you.
My tea's gone cold, I'm wondering why I got out of bed at all. The morning rain clouds up my window, and I can't see it all. And even if I could, it'll all be great.
Dali ng aking pag-ibig, ikaw ang binibini na ninanais ko. Binibining marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo. Sana ay ipong habang buhay na ito. Ikaw ang binibini na ninanais ko. Binibining marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo. Sana ay ipong habang buhay na ito.
A woman stepped into the street and began to dance uncontrollably in 1518. She danced for days without stopping, and soon others joined her. Over 50 people were swept up in the bizarre dancing frenzy. The dancers moved with such intensity that some collapsed from exhaustion, and a few might have died from heart attacks and strokes. Local authorities were baffled, believing it was a curse or divine punishment. Now they tried to cure the dancers by encouraging more dancing, thinking it would expel the madness. But it only spread further, lasting for over a month before mysteriously fading away.
I imagine we fell in love and I'll bother moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us, you with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your hair. So let me fly with you, will you be forever with me?
Walang na malaman mo, hindi kayang tumbasan ng kahit anong salapi kung ano.
I should know that you're no good for me. 'Cause your heart's in your cold, you're yes then you're no, you're in then you're out, you're up then you're down, you're wrong when it's right, it's black and it's white. We fight, we break up, we kiss, we make up. You don't really wanna stay, no. You don't really wanna go. Your heart's in your cold, you're yes then you're no, you're in then you're out, you're up then you're down.
Bacon avocado. Gusto ko lang naman pumasa. Huwag niyo akong hintayin manakit.
Bacon avocado. Kailan mo ba kay ka-crush ba?
Bacon avocado. Kanina hindi ako galit. Kaso tanong ka ng tanong kung galit ba ako. Eh, di po nang galit na ako.
Sino na naman dumikwat ng Gtek ko? Pre, nakalimutan mo mag-bacon avocado.
And action! Wait lang ulit. Cut!
Ano ba yan? Ayos kasi. Pang ilang take na yan. Oo nga, wala namang nakakatawa.
Si Zion kasi, tindi ng lock-in.
Kasalanan ko pa talaga.
Hindi. Sorry na. O game na, ayusin ko na. Sige lang, take your time guys.
Para sa kapayapas. Mahal kita. Katina. Bobo!
Scott!
Ano may sasabihin ka pa doon bago ka mamatay?
Ano nga ulit yung line ko?
Sasabihin mo, mahal din kita.
Oo nga pala. Sorry.
Dapat ikaw na lang bida, Becky. Tagal tuloy natin.
Ew, yung ka mag-female lead ni Damian. Tsaka sabi ni Damian, ay, yaan nyo na. Patapos naman na eh. Tsaka enjoy naman eh.
Enjoy ang po.
Sayon.
Bilisan nyo, uwing-uwi na ako.
Eh di muwi ka. Pakamot nga ng likod ko, ang kate. Kupal. Pero kilala ko sinong pinaka nag-e-enjoy.
Oo nga eh. Sakit sa mata.
You look pretty.
What did you say?
I said you look shitty. Good night, Denise.
Harness your hopes on just one person, because you know a harness was only made for one. Don't telegraph your passes, you'll end up with molasses.
Eh, pabili po isang turot.
Magsasorry lang pala eh. Kaya ko to.
Oh shit, andyan na siya. Hindi na po pala ate. Sorry, naiwan ko pala wallet ko. Parang hinahabol ako ni Peta. Nakakatakot, Doy! Mama!
Not elegando! All the walk mo sa hallway!
Ako ang nagwagi. Hindi na niya ako nahabol. Mukhang di umuubra ang plan A. Nakakapagod tumakbo, punyeta. It's time for Plan B. Plan B. Kupal mode. Hoy, babae. Dikit ka na ng dikit kay Damian. Ako pa talaga. Pwede bang huwag kang maalikit sa kanya? Hindi ba gaya kagaya mong hampas lupa kay Damian? Saksak ko pa sa baga mo. Hoy, ba't ganyan ka sumagot? Sino ka ba sa inaakala mo? Over naman sa ask. Aba? Oh, Dutch boy.
Ano nangyayari dito?
나의 두 눈을 감으면
Damian, ito kasing babaeng to eh. Ano yun? Ang baho! Hoho! Matagal pa ba? Taing-tain na kasi ako eh. Oh my gosh! Sobrang baho! Ang dugyot mo, girl! Mag-CR ka na nga, kainis! Mission success. Hindi ko lang natakasan ng pabebe girls na turn up din si Sion sa fake na utot ko. Hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. Hitting 2 birds with 1 stone? Baho. Ba't andito ka pa?
Pwede ba tayong mag-usap?
Tara na girls, ang baho!
Sandali. Anong ginagawa niyo kay Forger kanina?
Sorry Damian, pwede sa ibang lugar na lang. Ang baho kasi eh.
No! Sagutin niyo ako. Anong ginagawa niyo kay Forger kanina?
Fine! We were just teaching her a lesson because she doesn't know her place. Ang kapal niyang dumikit-dikit sa'yo?
And who are you to decide kung sino dapat makakasalamuha ko, ha?
Bakit ba pinagtatanggol mo yung nobody na yon?
Because she's my friend. At ikaw ang nobody dito.
Wow, friend. Uy.
Huwag mo nalang gagawin yan kung di ako makakaharap mo.
Oo na. Can you please let go? Ang bantot. Tara na nga.
Please, kahit ngayon lang.
Okay.
Sorry.
Bakit ka nagsusorry?
Sa pang-aaway ko sa'yo noon. Pwede ba tayong maging friends?
Sion, sorry kasi sinampak kita. Pwede ba tayong maging friends? Oo naman. Matagal na tayong friends kahit ayaw mo dati, no? Sobrang OA. Tara na nga.
Wala mo kong bukas at kailanman.